Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make rich and creamy chocolate ice cream. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started with this recipe. First, in a large bowl, add in the egg yolks and sugar, and whisk them vigorously for about a minute or two until they lighten in color. Then into a pot or a large saucepan, add in the whole milk and heavy cream. Mix them together and heat it over medium-high heat until it just starts to boil. Then remove it from the heat. Add a small amount of the hot mixture into the egg yolk and sugar mixture and whisk to combine. Add in a little more. Whisk to combine. And add in the rest and whisk to combine. Then pour the mixture into the pot and place it back onto the stove over medium heat and heat it until the mixture thickens slightly, stirring it the whole time. Try not to overheat it or you'll end up with scrambled egg ice cream, which you definitely don't want. And you need to heat it until it's thick enough to coat the back of the spoon or spatula. So keep lifting it up to check. If the mixture just runs off the spatula, keep cooking. Once it's thick enough to coat the spatula, remove it from the heat. Pour the mixture through a fine sieve into a large bowl to strain out any small bits of eggs that may have scrambled. Then add in the salt, vanilla extract, and bittersweet or dark chocolate, breaking it up as you add it. Let the mixture sit for a few minutes to let the hot mixture melt the chocolate. Then stir it well until the mixture is smooth. If you need to, use a whisk to get it completely smooth. Then wrap it in plastic wrap and place it into the fridge for at least 3 hours or overnight. Or to speed up the cooling process, you can place it into a bowl of ice water, just like I showed in some of my previous ice cream recipes. Then pour the cold mixture into an ice cream machine and let it churn until it freezes into ice cream, which usually takes about 25 to 30 minutes. If you don't have an ice cream machine, I have a video on my channel showing how to make ice cream without one, and I'll put a link to it in the description box. You won't end up with a really soft and smooth ice cream without the ice cream machine, but it is a way to make it if you don't have one. Then pour it into a large bowl or a large airtight container. Work quickly before the ice cream melts too much. Cover the top and place it into the freezer for at least 4 hours until it's frozen solid. Then just scoop it up and serve. And that's how to make rich and creamy chocolate ice cream. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.